Hi, you guys. Erica Ellie here. I felt the Father's heart to share with you, beloved, to encourage. You know, the world can oftentimes make us feel less than, condemned by the mistakes that we make from time to time. But our Father, the one that sent his wonderful Son Jesus, you know, it says in Psalms 145 that the Lord is near to those who call upon him in truth. Now it even goes a step further and says that he grants the desire of those who fear him. So put your trust in the Lord.